In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cash App Pay in your Stripe account. We'll walk through this step by step so you can start accepting Cash App payments quickly and confidently. Make sure you're logged into your Stripe account before you begin, and that you have the right access level to change payment settings. First, head over to your Stripe Home dashboard. This is the main page you see right after logging in, where you can view your recent payments, balances, and key account metrics. If you're not already there, you can usually get back to it by clicking on the Stripe logo or the Home option in the left-hand menu. Once you're on the Home dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a small gear icon. This gear represents your settings. Go ahead and click that. This will open your main settings area where you can manage everything from your business details to your payment methods. Inside the settings, look for the section labeled Payments. This is where Stripe lets you configure how you accept money from your customers. Click on Payments to open up those options. If you manage multiple products or have a complex setup, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account or environment, such as test mode or live mode, before making changes. Within the Payments settings, you'll see a series of tabs. Find and select the tab called Payment Methods. This is the central place where Stripe lists all the different ways your customers can pay you, like cards, wallets, and other local methods. On the Payment Methods tab, scroll through the list until you find Cash App Pay. It may be grouped under wallets or alternative payment methods depending on your Stripe layout. When you see Cash App Pay, click on it to open its details. Here, Stripe may show you basic information about how Cash App Pay works and any eligibility notes. Finally, look for the option to enable it. There will be a clearly labeled button or toggle that says Enable. Click on Enable to turn Cash App Pay on for your account. After enabling it, Stripe may take a moment to update your settings. Once that's done, Cash App Pay should be available as a checkout option wherever your Stripe integration supports it. That's all you need to do. You've successfully enabled Cash App Pay in your Stripe account, and your customers can now use it as a convenient way to pay.